Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by charging the case and buds so you avoid mid-setup interruptions. This matters because low power can block pairing. Once charged, open the case and remove both earbuds. They usually power on automatically and enter pairing mode. If they do not, press and hold each bud for about 3 to 5 seconds to force power on. Then make sure Bluetooth on your phone is active because you will pair immediately. This step gets you into the device list without delay. You now pair and optimize fit. Choose Dime in your phone's Bluetooth list and accept the pairing prompt. Pairing once pairs the left and right together so you won't repeat it every time. Once connected, check fit. A snug seal improves bass and noise isolation, so try alternate tips until you feel the difference. Then, make sure to open the Skullcandy app to tweak EQ and install firmware updates, because updates fix bugs and can improve battery or touch control behavior. You finish by learning controls and care. Use the touch gestures to play, skip, and summon Voice Assistant. This keeps your phone in your pocket and speeds interaction. After listening, place the buds back in the case to power off and recharge so they're ready next time. This also preserves battery life. If pairing or audio drops occur, reset by placing both buds in the case and holding the touch areas for about 10 seconds. This clears pairing and usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.